How to design a promotional email banner with Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now I have these templates already that I got from Canva, and I'm going to be designing this for my travel agency. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to change this image into something that will suit a travel agency. So I'm simply just going to head to Elements, and over here, I'm going to just type in Dubai. And then I'll go to photos and choose anyone that I like. But I like this. So I'm going to be swapping that out. And shop now would not go for a travel agency. So I'm just going to tap on that. And on the shop, I'm going to be changing that with book now. Next thing is the name of my company. So I'm going to change that to the name of the travel agency. This is what it is looking like. Now over here, modern furniture, I'm going to change that to the Dubai experience. Adjust it. Exactly. Now this is exactly what I want. The Dubai experience. Now for this, we're also going to be swapping it into spend 5 days in Dubai in grand style. Just going to adjust this a little. Now the next thing is to change the website here. So www dot, and we are all done. This is looking like a professional travel agency email banner, and that is how easy it is to get this outcome. Now, if you found this video helpful, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now, I will see you on the next video. Bye.